Dear friends, welcome to another video of Fathoming Mind. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the decision making. Very many times in our lives, we have to make different type of decisions. Which course to study, which job to choose, or which place to live. So these kind of decisions are there in our life. So how we are taking all these decisions? Sometimes we make these decisions in consultation with others, the elderly people, or the people whom we think wise, or we ask our dear and dear ones, or our friends. Okay, so these different means, or people search, cut out different type of information to make the decision. So different sources we are approaching for making a proper decisions in our life. So we know that decision making is very important, and to remain in that decision, to stick on to that decision is also very important, and to come out with flying colors is also another important thing in our life. So some places also are very attached to us. When we leave from our places, for example, think of the people who are going from the homeland to other countries for work. So their place is very, we know that each one of us is having an attachment to our own place, and we are because our dear and dear ones are there, and we are born and brought up there in that place. So when we leave from that place, it takes a lot of pain for us to leave, go to other place, and to assimilate another culture, or to get adapted to another culture and to live in that culture, etc. So these kind of situations are there in our life. So how we face these situations? So we know that we feel some kind of emotions when we take a particular decisions in our life. It is an indispensable part of life. Man is a rational being, as well as man is also an emotional being. Different kind of emotions will come into our mind: affection, joy, nostalgia. So these emotions are always always will be there when we take some kind of decisions in our life. So we have to also see how to also deal with this emotional part when we take the decision. So we have to also see also our emotions, and we also have to approach our emotions with an equanimity of mind. And when we have the real presence of mind, and when we have a real spiritual attitude towards these things, it helps us to accept and understand these emotions, maybe of emotions of getting rid of the place where we are attached, or some other reasons. So it gives us when we really accept these things with the real presence of mind, it helps us to realize that situation, and to take a proper decisions in our life. Thank you, dear friends.